Sabi ko na nga eh, mananalo ka eh. Hindi na naman ako papasok sa kwarto. Oh my god! Don't mind my rage, man. At least this automatically joins back. I swear if I die. You're welcome. Come here. Come to daddy. Haha. That's it. Okay, this is oh my god. Oh, excuse me, no, bro. Are you trying to jump scare me or something? Huh? Is that your slip? Hey. My anxiety attack.
Dito po lang dito. Dito ko daw ubuhin to.
What the heck? I was pointing at.